Performance Advisor for PTC Creo, powered by ThingWorx, PTC's IoT platform, is a new dashboard which gives CAD administrators operational insight into the hardware and software performance of their PTC Creo installations and provides proactive recommendations to optimize performance. Users can access the tool through the eSupport portal on PTC.com by simply adding the portlet titled My Connected PTC Products under the My Company tab. The dashboard is organized into different sections called gadgets, which give you a high-level overview of the usage and performance of PTC Creo in your environment. You can personalize the dashboard by rearranging and adding additional gadgets. In this example, session counts in the last 20 days. Each gadget contains a direct link to the Help Center, where it is described in detail. The various gadgets provide high-level metrics around overall status, sessions, maintenance releases, and usage of PTC Creo apps, as well as proactive recommendations to improve performance. Additionally, you have the ability to drill down into any gadget to gain a deeper understanding. In this example, the Recommendations page gives you a summary of all available recommendations for the full environment. It provides a high-level overview of each recommendation, including the solution, as well as a status drop-down for tracking purposes. To get more information, such as total affected users and a link to the solution in the PTC knowledge base, you can drill down into specific recommendations. If a specific user is experiencing issues, simply input their user ID into the search field. This information can be identified using the PTC diagnostic tools. Each user has a details page which outlines their software and hardware properties, number of sessions, session duration, and other metrics. In this example, a chart shows the start, end, and duration of each session, as well as the exit time and available recommendations. The recommendations, represented by a triangle in the chart, allow you to easily access the solutions or a summary of all available recommendations for this user. The additional supporting tabs provide more detailed information around sessions, PTC Creo apps, and system information. To easily navigate between pages, the Performance Advisor for PTC Creo has a convenient drop-down menu, in this case, selecting the Platform Overview page. This page lists the software and hardware properties of your overall PTC Creo environment. You can drill down on each to quickly and easily identify commonalities and inconsistencies across your installation for items such as operating systems, Java versions, and graphics cards. Performance Advisor for PTC Creo gives CAD administrators the capabilities to effectively monitor and optimize PTC Creo installations, decreasing the costs of managing PTC Creo applications and increasing end-user productivity, which contributes to maximizing the value of PTC Creo to your organization.